in check. I made myself a member, got myself out the rent. I upgraded my upgrade, give us a daily bread.